Oil rub bronze finish on non-metallic surfaces. The first step we're going to do is silver patina stain. This is a 3D resin print, and it's important to note that when we say oil rub bronze, this is likely not going to match what everyone has in their head as an oil rub bronze finish. A lot of times people will call in and ask for an oil rub bronze finish, and it's kind of like calling in and asking for green. And we can help you get there, definitely, but everyone has their own little variants of oil rub bronze, or different variants of what they're looking for in green, right? There's a lot of shades of green. The same can be true about oil rub bronze. So I'm going to do what I like to see in oil rub bronze, which is more brown, less black. It's a preference, but it's important to note that when using these patina stains, it's just a matter of tweaking how much of one coat over another, and then you can achieve that finish as well. So we have used the silver patina stain, and now we're going to go on with the yellow patina stain. And if you've seen our other yellow or our other patina stain oil rub bronze finish, you'll notice it's a similar step. It's going to be yellow, brown, black from here on out. We used the silver because I want to get that metallic look to start with, right? So it started off as gray and then we did silver. So it's not a huge difference in color, but it's that important step that makes it so you can sell this as an oil rub bronze finish or a bronze finish, because otherwise you're just going to be putting yellow, brown, and black over the top, and you might be able to make it look pretty good, but if you don't start with that silvery background, like we did in the other video where we did it straight over steel, then it's going to be a lot harder to sell that true metal looking. So we just did the yellow patina stain over the silver. We're going to start going in with a little bit of the brown, and then it's just a dance from there to get the exact look that you're going for. So silver, yellow, brown, black, and then I usually bounce back and forth between yellow and brown and adding a little bit of black here and there, because again, I like mine a little bit more brownish than in comparison to some of the blacker ones that you'll see as well online. This print is from Loot Studios in their It's Another Trap from July 2021 category, and it is Alexandra Uthgard. We are not sponsored by Loot Studios. It is just a really cool print that I wanted to have on the desk, and so this is the finish that I wanted to do it in just because it looks really great when it's all said and done here. So I'm really liking where this is going. I'm going to go back with a little more yellow just to warm it back up essentially. And then we're going to call this pretty close to done. There's a lot of things you can do, especially since this is so detailed. I can go back in with waxes and just continue to detail a lot of this out. But these 4 spray cans have done a phenomenal job. And personally, I'm just going to leave it because I think it looks good. But now we're going to use the black vinyl resin on the base here, and I'm just painting it black. I don't need it anything special. I don't want it to pull any focus from the rest of the piece, so I'm just going to paint it black, and the vinyl resin does a great job at covering the patina stain that I already kind of oversprayed onto it, and overall that's going to work pretty well. So here we have our final piece, and we'll do a better picture, but I just wanted to kind of do a quick little spin. I'm loving how it turned out. It looks phenomenal, and I really love doing this process as general. Anytime I get asked for oil rub bronze, this is how I tell people to do it. So here we have a better picture from the front and the sides and the back here, so you can see all 4 sides. The detail, even in the hair, is immaculate still. Not too much from the back. It is what it is. It's just how it was sculpted from the smooth. And overall, really happy with how this turned out. It looks even better in person. Patina stains are available at www.sculptnouveau.com or by calling us at 760-432-8242.